I want to use this opportunity for introduce to now the best forestry company where they operate in Sierra Leone and Ghana in West Africa. Mr. Ken again. The Myro Forestry Company, they plant trees them for poles, timber, wood biomass production with the best grade and high quality product. Then they operate on sustainable basis. The Myro Forestry Company, one of a kind of the whole salon. And this forestry company.
Yeah, boo. Jay. Yeah, boo. I can't go na farm. I don't know. That small cassava will be house. Now for make it boil now. Let them pick in there.
Where they can go na farm, you know go say I get for cook. Not know they don't use. And then picking about them for go school.
But yeah, but you know say not easy. Me one had to go na farm and no go dey manage. Right now work na this country for let go work not easy. And for manage that small, if you know they can't go na farm. Let's see if I able get 2-3 cassava. That counter. Make let them picking them go school. Yeah?
Who's speaking there? I mean I said to no go school.
What happen?
He said she has a book with pen. They have for sit. So they say they all two say they go school.
And me right now 50 you are not get. 50 you.
Yeah, I don't go.
Okay, the only thing, let's go see if I able get cassava, we can boil her. Or you go sell. Let them able get something, yeah?
Okay.
Do law manage. It's not easy.
Me maybe I know. Ah, God. Daddy God. Work right now. Because they don't go school, work pay forget that, you know, easy in this community. Look me man when you ain't done strong. Look back, like for say you don't 90 years, look back. Hey! Daddy God. For feeding picking, no for feeding picking, no hey, Daddy God. Today now 3 days. 3 days like I said I'm picking and they then small picking like I said and they eat. Daddy God. Yeah, big. If you now ask Stefan forgive me, if we do man no book, woman they go to work now. At least we will survive day. Hey. Daddy God, yeah, big. Sorry for me.
Hey man, so I'm them Lushan. Now I'm about for Tony. On Monday, people need Martin to the toilet your time. Come on, canning at you. Bonge, that's exactly man. Get a paper now to put on canning at Cabani, my toilet your tire. No, and tell us so Mantasi, Mangbili Bankan and Teddy. Tapie, and make on okay, I can marry that we support the Myro Forestry Company effort. When Myro come, let we support them, let we open we arm for them. Let we stop all the bushfire inside the plantation of it with bushfire. That not all for the common.
But I get 1,000 big. Yeah?
If you need it timber stronger, welcome to my box up now they eat and
Boko is good. Beside them back home can go get better knowledge. All man they go.
environmental stability.
We go suffer. Sorry! This song here! See your man! See your man, you block for this morning! Yeah? For you!
I want to use this opportunity to commend the efforts of the Myro Forestry Company. The general manager, to all the various departments that within the company.
Oh man, you give me all this money.
Let's work with less.
How you doing so?
So you know reading this?
Which news?
In the idea, now we should go back so.
See your man.
You know everybody announcement na radio.
See your man. Now 1 week they go so forget 1,000 make for buy battery. Maybe more than a week. It's not easy.
So not tell me what. For me now that battery I will buy. I pass you. Anyways, we get meeting today 4 o'clock. Yes. 4 o'clock today na bare. You know see what guys?
Number one.
But waiting.
Always one.
They sell all my all youth man there, all the mami there, all man at the community. For meet up na bari today. When they meet up there, one company don't come. Now this community, you can't take quid the youth man them for work. Take that woman them back. They take that woman there now. That man there, the youth man there for work. Youth man there, youth man.
So work don't come finally for.
Finally, it don't come. Remember,
Johnny, don't come up and cheap.
Don't you die work we for go cut in farm work. This na structure work them. Then the problem. What you make a laugh? When they be explain tell me. Stick one with the cut with the bone coal, with the cut, with the this. Nine they can plan. Beyond the chicken and get work. So like now go now go wash dress like me.
No, so you waiting? I be gonna farm quick. La go put cassava. You go for camp.
They talk about meeting. I this time when they go to farm.
I want to use this opportunity to introduce to me the forestry company with the operation and West Africa. Mr. Ken again. Plant trees them for poles, timber and wood biomass production. With the best grade and high quality product, then they operate on sustainable basis. The Myro Forestry Company, one of a kind at the whole salon. And this forestry company, it don't make we proud of we home. They get the best grade in West Africa. Then they bring the best type of species.
Kane number ni bas ba o chiku bana agni sudan bi o te lasui kamasini bane o chiku masibon gare pro opokara suko bebi apie ititela o chiku bana we o be masibon ko se Mr. Abu Uganda. On va c'était là on oublie de chepos for Jesu mané sans de d'apôtre aucun de mon forfait. Mambo kaneba. Mapi muto mo karame. So gati oi. O chikene ko mo dero. Papo.
Once again, family unado.
Oi, okorinu.
Mina Abdul Conte.
Oh, kono Abdul Conte.
I come up from the Myro Forestry Company in Salon.
Oh, would a company machila and Myro can't talk no saloon.
If I say anything, I get a borrow from an oven.
Oh, before more. Can't come more from Tate or bar the card alone, or what's the same machila and bora.
So I can say I come up from the Myro Forestry Company. I'm a CLO from Myro Forest Company.
Oh, Momo Pupai, older Myro Company. Oh, I no CLO can't company.
What did I share you?
I say, Aloy, come quarter, everybody to see a career Bopusi, come for funny sweet, a child, more till PDA, to make a
Myro Forestry Company, the purpose we can have salon. Now for plant trees.
Oh, a chair, a Myro, get can't of us. Takadeka, chapus, any, Tanger can't of us.
Plantation for poles, timber, and plywood. Company
any day, I'm a boy, I took my timber, my tassa, the wire, wood cash it. Any touches, so I'm Papa Etimba, Apoto, until I eat Etimba. Madame Papa Eka, Masisila, Tambo, Mosuma, Pata, Kosokla, Mori, Papa Eche, Bayan, Kamate, Perupus, not
if only we sit down, we arrange them, we do na land, ready for recruits now.
Amaro and Gary to the worky sang. There are people Samba Supoida Sibiani, Susong Elanders we, and Sworky sang, Kadir Kachi, Kodi Rotu.
Myro get certain benefits the way they give in return to Una.
Oh, I must work at Soyang over Kosui and Kakabaso, Amunafa, my Sosui, we have worked on a food.
Myro the employee Una.
And Skak what Afmasu come up and
Myro they give Una money as any year we will not list the land for?
Owa kere no ren pombe ambado wan kom du lol ma sonsu kai place e ma so songa ambade ma sonsu.
So now that good talk the Mairo cows for.
Owa ka ke ma ti o ka ande ka ti na.
So now I can entertain any question.
So what don't know about if to be the chief say one ask question.
You're welcome.
I say first of all, the welcome the good things that we come.
I appreciate them too.
All what you don't talk, it's good for a arena it is. But they say the engats, then the roots something nothing I am. And you know now the village now. And have hope, now they food transition, now they pay for them, feed them, now they catch them school and they are rata them. So if you say that they can't get their land, then they ain't got. For that, the chief say, "You want to get that from you, Mr. CLO, we can proceed. Then now they need take them now their hands. Whatever they stop us."
Okay, let me respond to what the pardon say.
Well,
Mairo, you need to buy land first of all. You need to buy land to anybody.
I'm company there. Our place.
Now list we dey list the land. Anyhow, we dey pay for that land.
Mama Jowa enge tama yoyi munoi mama ni kwenda mama ni pogba ne muno mutwa de mo lo ma so mu kare ma ko pomu ye kama ye punga kiye
till the tell way Mairo they left na this country the land left with
antam boy an ko bi man kai take an to for you ya o blo mu ko no na o kra ta to pa an ka go da ma ka go now they say the what they don't get problem. We fine. As now when they buy the land like this, they appreciate.
yeah.
Just remember your question. This one I end up to say what question.
If I may ask,
He say bloody for see this fine stranger. Because you will ask. Like then now, don't go now to old age. Don't pass now then 70 to 80. If you not come this company in the land, if you not employ them.
they employ different type of people. Like if you don't agree for give a land to Mairo go ask if he gets person for put day, we go able to take am. If you see say you not get anybody for put day, we get some different work they will give to different people then we be say we set we go able attach them.
Now, Namalu, he say you get question for ask. He say then the woman them, if they employ them for this work.
Oh yeah, Mairo they employ both the man there and the woman there. We get different work there na Mairo. Like we get nurse in transplant, we see woman self able to do that.
Well now, the chief they tell for say right now they don't give the good message with the good things that don't come. They say that they gladly, they overjoyed. They don't know how to say, don't be so kind of the land.
Tati semala ne tia kana sushi. Ye ma go chop mutara ano ko mani de ma sambe ma zi le.
So they welcome now, but they want to let them know the dates when they come. Let them all prepare. We get cultural dancer there. So that they tell my posse they gladly for them na kana they don't choose for come.
Well, as soon as possible.
Forestry company, one of a kind na the whole salon. And this forestry company, they don't make we proud of we home. They get the best grade and quality timber from Ghana, Sierra Leone, West Africa.
My sister, this company we can. In the airport, but it look like say, then they take my
So God oh my sister, like I sabi no more. And they take by sabi, the one where they sabi, all in that they take sabi.
Me even me man, you don't sit down, you don't wait for this company. Say where they come meeting, say today they will take her. Say today.
Me back now so, me my right hand then I was nothing need. We don't friend say for make we will get to no.
Hey.
Nothing na us na we no want.
It's no problem, you know see your boo.
I see how.
Then they fresh when in man, they don't take up at this work.
My sister, that's true. That see if you see a boot, they won't be saying that bush. If you see that, we don't push.
Come not in province. Around mile 91, take go put local acts. You go notice the way where the company they beautify the landscape of the country and the ramparts along water.
Yabu. Pressure. I don't know pressure.
Man, my lady, got it for look. As you tell me, God, my sister, I will not do a open at this community. But you go to this community, they take my son. My sister, they are begging not to I won't give information this. Now lie. My will take my Sabi. Well, I tell you, would I be man Sabi na my way? Hey, come on, don't feel like going mad or biking. Or come on, tell her no matter what photo. That's a owner now. I'm a man enter inside my way. You know, for say Papa and the girl landed. So when they marry with them car, give them 30 hectares. So right now, they say they give 3 people them. He call me man because I'm big way people. The man is small brother. He call me sister where you from. Mami ayi.
So then they take woman then.
Yes. They take woman and my way. No. So they are big. You know they give na dem go give information they for say my road na by sabi business. So by sabi business so people they can for help community pain.
Natural. For me, waiting na me problem. We dey suffer yanda. Me brother no get work. Me back no get work. Even me man no get work. How they manage survive?
Imi ere bo balo. Na ma you know my my sister. Some people land. My sister. That's it. See this my way. If you not to this my way, like me and myself, don't
Sister. You know down there because the way you dey suffer. Maybe na kasara na ibozi. Why for me pepe la o make kasara?
Guys, I look on Yebu kasada. Carry la go na sister. For patience am I do say fine. Say patience me man no.
Tell her na get it. When
I make I don't come now.
Because he might go walk me sister.
Thank you for commending the efforts of the Myro Forestry Company, from the CEO to the general manager, to all the various departments them within the company, all the workers them. I want for commending them, I want for say bravo to them all. The plantation manager, the block managers, the social departments, the planning department, the finance department, the R&D, the health and safety, the construction workers,
I forget for
the security system, the cleaners, the community relations, the fire team, number one, Always fun.
They come when you're on the
Always-
outside. I'm going to feel it outside. See, back another enjoyment day for me. So today I try for best class. Hey, you! It's like beans, Efe.
Mama, I like beans.
Hey! What's up, Biba? Now give me this beans and this social.
I mean, Papa likes to
Hey,
make
Papa. Hey, Efe beans. Papa will beans.
Mama, you know what say Papa be promise me say one pass back in the buy for me phone. When I don't pass back, today in kind thing I pay the first thing I had the answer. Mama.
So before that, I did your loss.
I need you I just want to get your phone.
Okay.
You know what say Sally they all they laugh me at school. Sally Papa be don't buy for a phone. The first way they be pay them my own. Yeah. So me back them Papa they buy.
No, Papa will buy for his pack.
I dey glad it's packed. That's how they take selfie at the poster.
Hey!
To the house. What's most today? They pay me now, I don't forget.
Waiting.
I don't buy bread.
Hey! But if it's
Yes, bread. My room.
They beautify the landscape of the country and the ramparts along water crisis.
Daddy don't catch me.
Another big achievement. Then they bring foreign exchange and boost up the government. They bring back the forest resources. I want to use this opportunity for introduce to our forestry company where they operate in Sierra Leone in West Africa.
And the best thing for Mero, where they say last Saturday of the month, when they pay, where go that as they give face before you go that bank, when time no day, today they can't go to the market. They go buy one bag, they buy cow.
Beans, not forget beans.
Somebody pay for my phone.
I don't pass the case. You know now.
The only thing you get for weight loss. This month, not guy for set to one of the things. Come, okay with the talk. No, go
Come, let we support them, let we open me arm for them. Now we stop for the beach fire. Inside the plantation of it, we push fire. That's not good for the company.
Hey, don't go, please, don't go. I'm begging you, don't go. Pambolem, you see, now this is they say, we not try for know something before we not talk. The one way they talk say, marriage take people by sentiments. No, they don't take people by sentiments. They don't sabi nobody. They only take person where you get land. If you know say you get your land, give to Myro, then they take you. Now we left for put the blame say Myro they take bribe. No, that the working they do. So this now Yonyan with Vision Film Production in collaboration with Myro Forestry Company Limited Sierra Leone, they present episode 1 to you. This is episode 1. Stream to this channel every week. Yonyan with Vision Film Production. See you. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and share.
And for Fed climate change, now the best type of practice. When it come not in province, around mile 91, take go put local axis. You go notice the way where the company they beautify the landscape of the country and the ramparts along water crisis. Go soon get for reduce soon a mark this. Trust me, the company deserve endorsements for the road infrastructure and the youth get employment. Another big achievement. Then they bring foreign exchange and boost up the government. They bring back the forest resources. Waiting man call reforestation. A stable environment go establish from the company forestry plantation. So local people, investors, we all need